Alright guys, so this is not the usual type of video I do. So if you guys know me, it's usually about cycling or so on. But once again, I tried to do daily uploads for the month of September. And I thought, let me share this with you guys. I'm building a little bed for my little one. It looks like a little house or something, but I think it's coming together pretty good. So yeah, if you're not into this type of videos, you can skip it to the next video. Or if you want to view this video or watch this video, then enjoy. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm not busy with my usual thing on working on bikes or riding bikes or anything. So it's weekend and I said I'll try to do daily vlogging or daily uploads. And I actually started with this. I'm building my little one. I'm not sure what bed they call it, but they all want something like this. So I'm going to build this, and I'm just going to show you guys what I do, and when we're done I'll show you the end project as well. Enjoy!
Yeah.